Welcome to our overview of Guardian Analytics ACH real-time product. This is Michael McDermott, the Director of Customer Services. In this demonstration, I will step through how a fraud analyst conducts an investigation of potential ACH fraud using Guardian Analytics ACH real-time. And then I will show you how to use the resulting information to accept or reject an ACH batch for payment. I begin my investigation in the Alerts tab, looking at today's alerts for originated ACH batches. In this view, each row represents a single batch. All batches are sorted by risk level in descending order. I will focus my attention on the highest risk batches first. I can sort the batches by clicking on the column headers if I want to view the list in an order other than by highest risk. I can also scroll to see different attributes. The Intervention Status column shows me whether an ACH batch has been put on automatic hold because it was high risk, or whether it was automatically accepted because it was low risk. Intervention Status also tracks if the batch was manually released or rejected after review by a member of my team. Scrolling further, I can quickly identify batches that have been flagged as Same Day ACH. This allows me to prioritize these batches so that I can finish my investigation within the reduced time window required for Same Day ACH compliance. Now I'm going to select a batch for investigation. Double-clicking on the alert allows me to drill down to the account detail timeline for a single account. In this view, I see all of the ACH batches that have been originated by this account or received batches where this account was the beneficiary. Selecting a column helps me to focus on the attributes for a specific batch. In this case, I have selected the red alert that represents the highest risk. I can look at the SEC codes, risk factors, or transaction codes and other parameters such as the intervention status. When I double-click on the alert, I can inspect the detail of the batch and its batch entries. Some of these are single-entry batches, others contain multiple entries. The attributes underlined in red indicate items of elevated risk. For example, unusual use of an SEC or transaction code, the amount, or other risk contributors. By clicking on Other Adjacent Batches, I can quickly see the attributes along a time spectrum. This allows me to have a very focused conversation with my account holder in the event that I need to do a callback verification. Based on the results of the investigation, I can right-click the batch and then select Accept Batch or Reject Batch. This creates a signal to the back-end payment system. If I accept the batch, it will be processed for payment. If I reject the batch, it will be stopped, and it may then be returned to the originator to be modified and resubmitted. In summary, the Guardian Analytics ACH real-time product automatically placed a hold on high-risk batches. This allowed me to have a focused investigation in just a few minutes to quickly make a decision on whether to process the batch for payment or reject it due to the assessed fraud risk. Thank you for watching this presentation. For additional information on the Guardian Analytics ACH real-time solution and how you can use it to address same-day ACH requirements, please visit our website at www.guardiananalytics.com.